I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB, who we running with.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're doing a quick tutorial on the wet hair look using one product. So please stay tuned to see how I made this look. You can just lightly spray the hair with water or roller, not really dampening it, but you just want to lightly spray it. We are going to be using the Tresemme mousse for this tutorial. It's the volumizing mousse, but I believe you can use any mousse that you can find. You can also use the foam lotion, you already know that. But for this tutorial, we're using the mousse for the baby hairs and we're using the mousse for the rest of the hair as well. Just a slight swoop here and there. It doesn't have to be like super defined. You know, a red hair look doesn't have to be like perfect. Well, at least that's what I think. But if you want, you can definitely go without the baby hairs. I think it still looks dope. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. If you're enjoying this video so far, why don't you consider subscribing to our channel? Join the Bella Force, it's free and you won't miss out on our future uploads. And here comes the fun part. You just want to be generous with that mousse. And then as you as you lather it on, like you want to kind of scrunch the hair as you go along, because that gives it that curl pattern. Even though we're not looking for that curly look, but we do want a little bit of the wavy action going on, because that's how wet hair looks, right? So yeah. And cool thing about this mousse, it actually it dries super quick, so I didn't even have to go over with the blow dryer to dry the hair. As I go along scrunching the hair, like the hair gets like a hold. There's like a super hold that's going on there. So even the wavy texture that I'm getting from scrunching the hair, like that's gonna hold the entire day, even days actually. As long as you don't wash the hair, that look is going to hold for dear life. So I just wanted to add a little bit more on the front because, you know, while I was setting the baby hairs, I didn't really get any product in there. But yeah, you can just put as much or as little as you need. As you can see, like the more I'm adding product, the more wetter the hair is looking. Is that word? Wetter? The more wet. Ooh, okay, yeah. The more wet the hair is looking. So yeah, just carry on, scrunch as you go along, and as you can see, like it's really coming together. Like so stunned at how quick it actually dried. I think less than 10 minutes. But yeah, that's the final look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.